That sudden vice-like grip in your calf muscle can jolt you awake. It is a painful and unwelcome interruption to a peaceful night's rest. This is the reality of a nocturnal leg cramp. It arrives without warning, a sharp and intense contraction that can seize the muscles in your calf, foot, or thigh. For many adults over the age of 50, this experience is all too familiar. It is a thief that steals sleep and leaves lingering soreness and dread about the coming night. You may even fear falling into a deep sleep, anticipating the next attack. This is not a problem you have to simply endure. There are understandable reasons behind these episodes, and practical, evidence-based steps to find relief. Let's begin this journey toward quieter, more restful nights. To effectively address night leg cramps, we must first understand why they occur. A muscle cramp is an involuntary, forceful contraction that does not relax. Think of it as a miscommunication within your neuromuscular system. Your muscles require a delicate balance of hydration, minerals, and proper nerve signaling to function smoothly. When this balance is disturbed, the risk of a cramp increases. Several factors often work in combination, making nights especially vulnerable. The most common culprits: nutrition and hydration. Your muscles rely on electrolytes, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Calcium, and magnesium to coordinate contractions and relaxations. If your diet is short on these, or your body isn't absorbing them properly, muscles become hyperexcitable. Dehydration is another trigger. Even mild evening dehydration can set off cramps. Hydration transports minerals to cells and supports efficient muscle function. One of the most well-known nutrients for muscle health is potassium. It enables the electrical signals that tell a muscle when to contract and when to relax. When potassium is low, signals become erratic, leading to cramps. Bananas are rich, convenient, inexpensive, and easy to digest. Eat one whole, ripe banana about 1 to 2 hours before bed. If chewing is tough, mash it and spoon it. Quick snack: banana slices with a small spoonful of almond or peanut butter. Natural sugars plus protein and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar overnight. The key is consistency. Make it part of your evening routine for calmer muscles. Preload potassium to help keep muscles cramp-free through the night. Calcium is equally crucial for proper muscle function. Stored in muscle cells, calcium releases to initiate contraction. It works in a delicate dance with magnesium. Low calcium can destabilize nerve signals and trigger cramps. Yogurt and milk provide highly bioavailable calcium and quality protein. Lactose intolerant? Choose lactose-free or calcium-fortified plant milks. Aim for half to 1 cup, 30-60 minutes before bed, plain oversweetened. Add berries for fiber and antioxidants, and a tablespoon of flax or chia. This delivers calcium and protein to support overnight muscle stability. Fewer nighttime contractions, better rest. The third key mineral is magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Calcium contracts. Magnesium helps muscles relax. It acts as a natural calcium blocker, reducing nerve overstimulation. Deficiency makes muscles harder to release, prolonged tightness and cramping. Excellent sources: nuts, seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds. A small handful, about a 1/4 cup, adds meaningful magnesium. Avocados deliver magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy fats. Whole foods are generally safer and better tolerated than supplements. Try almonds alongside a few avocado slices, satisfying and steadying. Consider a tiny pinch of salt to support electrolyte balance. Give your body magnesium before bed to help muscles stay calm and reduce the chance of a painful cramp waking you. Simple steps for a quieter night. Bedtime habits that help. Nutrition is powerful, and pairing it with gentle habits amplifies the benefits. These actions prepare your body by improving circulation, hydrating tissues, and relaxing muscles. A consistent pre-sleep routine regulates your sleep cycle and neuromuscular function. First, prioritize hydration. Avoiding all evening fluids can backfire, causing overnight dehydration. Drink a glass of water 1 to 2 hours before bed. Keep a glass nearby, but front-load most fluids earlier. Sip water consistently throughout the day for best nighttime results. Next, incorporate gentle stretches, especially for calves. Stand a couple of feet from a wall and place your hands for support. Step 1 foot back. Keep the heel flat and the legs straight. Lean until a gentle calf stretch. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, no bouncing. Switch legs and repeat to lengthen fibers and improve blood flow. If you sit a lot, get up for a few minutes every hour. A short walk after dinner boosts leg circulation. Ensure footwear is supportive. Poor shoes strain feet and calves and can set up nighttime cramping. Hydration, stretching, and movement create a supportive environment for calm, cramp-resistant muscles. Your action plan for tonight, putting it all together. Knowledge is power when you act on it. 1 to 2 hours before bed, drink a full glass of water. Next, pick one mineral-rich snack you'll enjoy. Afterward, take 2 to 3 minutes for easy movement and hold a calf stretch for 30 seconds per side. Make sure blankets aren't forcing your feet downward. Hydrate, nourish, stretch, and set the stage. Simple steps that can make tonight's sleep more peaceful. While these strategies are natural and often effective, know when to seek medical advice. Self-care helps, but it doesn't replace your healthcare provider. See your doctor if cramps are severe, extremely frequent, or don't improve after a few weeks of consistent changes. If sleep disruption causes persistent daytime fatigue, get evaluated. Pay attention to other symptoms like persistent weakness, numbness or tingling, swelling, redness, or skin discoloration. Talk to your doctor before major diet changes or supplements. Some meds affect electrolytes. With kidney disease, be cautious with minerals like potassium and magnesium. Your doctor can examine you, check mineral levels, and rule out underlying issues. Together, you can adjust medications, add therapy, or use supervised supplements if needed. The sharp pain of night leg cramps doesn't have to be part of aging. We targeted the root causes, mineral balance and hydration, with simple nightly actions: bananas for potassium, yogurt for calcium, almonds and avocado for magnesium. Combine with hydration, gentle stretches, and daily movement. Start tonight. Small, consistent steps can reclaim your sleep and your well-being. Share your journey in the comments and subscribe for more wellness tips.